Hi everyone, welcome to the garden. Today we are going to talk a bit about the garden care. If you remember, last time we planted these containers with scallions, spinach and arugula, and it has passed 10 days since we did that, and you can see how they have grown. In this pot we have scallions. We planted 5 scallions in here, and you can clearly see the pattern how they have germinated. In this pot we have planted spinach. If you recall, we put 4 spots and 2 seeds in each spot, and now you can see that only 2 seeds have germinated. So this is an example that makes us aware that not all seeds germinate. And yeah, so don't be discouraged if not all germinate, but it's a learning process. So perhaps next time we will put 3 seeds instead of 2. In this pot we have planted arugula, and we use a different seeding technique, which was scattering. So we cover the surface of the soil with lots of seeds, and this is how they all have germinated. All these plants are have baby leaves. You can see the heart shape baby leaves. So a couple of weeks more, these leaves will turn into true leaves. For instance, in here we see that the true leaves is coming. True leaf is a different shape, and in 15 more days we'll be ready to harvest. So in order to harvest, what we'll do is just follow the rim of the pot, and we will just clip, and then we go our leaves for the salad. So watering is nothing else to add water, and here we have a watering can, and if you recall, we water the soil, not the leaves. So gently we water the soil, and we wait that the water infiltrates, seeps into the soil. Right? We can do a bit more in order to ensure a deep watering. Okay, and that is quite good. Here is the spinach. Again, we water the soil. Okay. All right. This one, the arugula. Okay, this is going to be a bit more challenging, the watering, because remember, I want to water the soil, not the leaves. So what I will do is just remove a bit the leaves from the edge and water from the edge, and then turn the pot. Water that. All right. So don't be scared to handle the plant. You don't go to hurt. You just touching. And remember, touching the plant is also good for you. It brings you happy hormones, so you'll be happy. So remember, gardening is not only growing the plant, but also is making sure that you also are happy. All right, that's all for today, and I will see you next.